guys, Larissa with BeCozi.net is here. BeCozi.net and BeCozi.com is the American website with the biggest collection of chunky yarn for hand knitting. So I'm making these videos to promote our yarns, and today I will be using our olive color chunky chenille yarn. And you can see that here I also have beautiful sparkly pink Christmas tree and sparkly green. Perfect colors for this time of the year, guys. So this is our sparkly pink and this is our sparkly green. And on the top you can use a little bit of yarn, or you can buy this adorable little star. I will put the link underneath on Amazon. You can go get it. So you can also make the Christmas tree in white, and we have sparkly white with white sparkles. It looks like a little bit of a snow on a Christmas tree. Not on this one, this is just regular white. So you can make the white Christmas tree too. So if you have our yarn ready, let's get started.